Hello, I'm Dr. Cool Auto Fix and I'm here to help you take better care of your car. Today we're talking about cold starts. You know, those times when you fire up your engine in the morning or after it's been sitting for a while. Yeah, we've all been there. A cold start refers to starting your engine when it hasn't been running for a while, typically after several hours or overnight. In this state, the engine oil is cool, less viscous, and hasn't fully circulated through the engine parts. Cold starts can be tough on your engine if not handled properly, leading to wear and tear over time. Now let's dive into the top 7 cold start mistakes that can damage your engine and how to prevent them. First up is a mistake I know a lot of us are guilty of: revving the engine right after starting, especially when it's cold outside. When your engine's cold, the oil is thicker and hasn't had a chance to circulate properly. Revving the engine forces all those metal parts to move quickly without proper lubrication. This can cause unnecessary wear and tear on your engine components, leading to premature failures down the line. So what should you do instead? Start your car and let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds. This gives the oil enough time to warm up, thin out, and circulate throughout the engine, providing that much-needed lubrication. So you've let your car idle for a bit, the engine's warmed up a little. Driving aggressively right after a cold start is another big no-no. When you slam on the gas pedal before everything's warmed up, you're putting a lot of stress on those cold, thick fluids and components. This can lead to increased friction, wear and tear, and even potential damage to your transmission. Instead of channeling your inner race car driver, take it easy for the first few miles. Accelerate gradually and drive gently until you see the engine temperature gauge reach its normal operating temperature. Let's talk about oil changes. It's crucial for a healthy engine, especially during cold starts. Think of your engine oil like the lifeblood of your car. Over time it gets dirty, breaks down and loses its effectiveness. Old, dirty oil can't lubricate the engine components properly, especially during cold starts when the oil is already thicker. This can lead to increased friction, wear and tear, and even engine damage. How often should you change your oil? A good rule of thumb is every 3,000 miles for conventional oil or every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for synthetic oil. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific recommendations. Don't ignore your coolant. Your car's cooling system is responsible for regulating the engine temperature and preventing it from overheating. It plays a crucial role during cold starts too. When your engine is cold, it needs to warm up to its optimal operating temperature quickly and evenly. A healthy cooling system ensures that the engine warms up properly and avoids any sudden temperature spikes that can cause damage. Ignoring your coolant system is like trying to bake a cake without an oven thermometer. A malfunctioning cooling system can lead to overheating, poor lubrication, and even cracked engine components. Regularly check your coolant level and look for any leaks. Make sure the coolant is clean and the correct type for your car. Let's talk about engine oil again, specifically the type of oil you use. Using the wrong engine oil for your car and climate can actually do more harm than good, especially during cold starts. Thinner oils flow more easily, which is great for cold starts because they can quickly reach and lubricate all those moving engine parts. Thicker oils are better suited for warmer climates. Using the wrong viscosity oil can prevent proper lubrication during those crucial first few minutes after a cold start. Check your owner's manual for the recommended oil viscosity for your car and climate. Short trips can be just as bad, if not worse, especially during cold starts. When you only drive a short distance, your engine doesn't have enough time to reach its optimal operating temperature. This means that the oil doesn't get hot enough to burn off any condensation that may have built up overnight. If you frequently make short trips, try to incorporate a longer drive at least once a week. This will give your engine a chance to fully warm up, burn off any condensation, and keep everything running smoothly. We've talked about the importance of letting your car idle for a bit after a cold start to allow the oil to circulate. But excessive idling can actually do more harm than good. When your car idles for a long time, it wastes fuel and increases emissions. Instead of letting your car idle for an extended period, aim for about 30 to 60 seconds, just enough time for the oil to circulate. Once you start driving, take it easy for the first few minutes to allow the engine and transmission to warm up gradually. This will help maximize fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and keep your car running smoothly for years to come. So, there you have it, folks. The top 7 cold start mistakes that can damage your engine and how to avoid them. By avoiding these common cold start mistakes and following these preventive measures, you can extend the life of your engine and ensure smoother performance. Remember, a little bit of care and attention goes a long way when it comes to car maintenance. By taking these simple steps, you can keep your engine running smoothly for miles to come. If you need more tips or have car-related questions, remember, Dr. Cool Auto Fix is always here to help. And be sure to subscribe for more car care videos. Until next time, drive safe.